So foundation of human skills, this is very much related to human resource management, very much related to organizational behavior. Whatever contents we are learning over here, as I told you, is the contribution or it is having elements from psychology, HR, OB and all. Now, why this is studied? This particular subject is studied in order to have an understanding about the behavior of the people, the differences between people, how to deal with these people and all in an organization. So in one way हम लोग ये बोल सकते हैं कि this is very much people oriented subject. Okay, very much human, it is related to human nature, human behavior, study about awareness about human behavior, such things. So we have already started this subject and we had even completed that first chapter. This is unit 1, understanding human behavior. In the earlier lecture we saw the first chapter, that is, where did we stop? We stopped in prenatal and postnatal environment. Prenatal environment means, or prenatal means before the birth of an individual, that is the conditions which are affecting the individual when he or she is in the mother's womb. That time, what are the factors which are affecting an individual? That is prenatal. Then there is postnatal, that is after the child is born, what are the different factors which is being like influencing that particular individual. This much we had seen. Do you remember it? You can put in the chat box. Are you able to recall it? Are you able to recall these things? Those who had attended the earlier lecture, you can put in the chat box. Prenatal and postnatal. Okay. So this is the first chapter. This is the first chapter. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, so as I told you, in every module or in every units, there will be different chapters. So this is the first chapter. And once I tell you to go through the questions, I'll give you assignments and all. That time you have to complete these objective questions and all. I'll tell you when to do it. Okay. Then moving ahead, today we are going to discuss about the second chapter over here, that is personality. What is personality? We always tell na personality, देखो कितना मस्त personality है, कितने अच्छे दिख रहे हैं वो, कितने मस्त है. Personality means simple words हम लोग ये बोल सकते हैं कि how you carry yourself. आप लोग कैसे ड्रेस करते हैं, आप लोग कैसे दूसरों के साथ इंटरैक्ट करते हैं, आप लोग कैसे दूसरे लोग जो बोल रहे हैं वो आप लोग कैसे लिसन, हाउ डू यू लिसन टू दैट and how you try to understand that. These are all parts of personality. Let's see the meaning, but official, like what is the definition and all. Let's see. Here you can see almost every day we describe and assess the personality of the people around us. Whether we realize it or not, these daily musings the daily activities on how and why people behave as they do are similar to what personality psychologists do. So what is, just understand the meaning of personality here. You can see in that the second paragraph. Personality is the aggregate of a person's feelings, thinking, behavior, and responses to different situations and people. So our feeling, our thinking, our behavior, and our responses to different situations and to different people. हम लोग एक ही जैसे बिहेव करते हैं क्या सब लोग इनके साथ? आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कैसे बिहेव करते हैं, आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ कैसे बिहेव करते हैं और अपने टीचर्स के साथ कैसे बिहेव करते हैं? All these are different. So personality actually shows, it is the aggregate. Aggregate means total. It is the total of a person's feelings, thinking, behavior, and responses to different situations and people. This we focus more on individuals over here, and there are so many theories also which explains how this personality is developing or some personality features are developing. So here you can see some more definitions. You need not by heart the definitions as of now, just आप लोगों को बस समझ में आना चाहिए. So यहाँ पे भी एक definition दिया है. Personality is made up of the characteristic patterns of thought, feeling, and behavior that makes a person unique or different from one another. Then there is another definition which is given over here. Personality refers to individuals' characteristics, patterns of thought, emotion, behavior, together with other psychological mechanisms which may be hidden or which may not be hidden behind those patterns. इतना ज्यादा अंदर तक जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप लोगों को बस इतना समझ में आना चाहिए कि पर्सनालिटी क्या होता है, एग्रीगेट टोटल ऑफ व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स, इट इज द टोटल ऑफ द फीलिंग्स, you can see here, total of the person's feelings, thinkings, behaviors, responses to different situations and different people. Okay, now determinants of personality or factors affecting personality. We have already seen each and every individual is different. Okay, even if you're born in a particular family, there also you can understand your mother, your father, your brother, your siblings all will be having different way of thinking, different feelings, emotions, then different personalities and all. So that is why it is told every person has a different personality, and there are a lot of factors which contribute to that personality, which shape the personality of an individual. Let us discuss those determinants or those factors. Four factors are there commonly: hereditary factor, environmental factor, physical factor and situational factor. Hereditary क्या होता है और heredity क्या होता है? Hereditary means which the certain features which we are getting because of we are born in that family, like certain features which we are inheriting from the time of our conception, like from the time of we are developing as a baby in our mother's womb, and certain features which we are getting from our ancestors, from our forefathers, those things are hereditary factor. They are very important because ये सब चीज देखो, ये हेरिडिटरी फैक्टर्स क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? अपने कलर, इट अफेक्ट्स आवर कलर, then it affects our hair color, it affects our height. Some people may be short, some people will be having good height. आप लोगों ने सुना होगा ना, people will be telling that uh, the child is having good height because parents का भी height अच्छे है, child is having good color, parents का भी color अच्छे है, like that you might have heard about it. These are all hereditary factor which are shown in a person. So intelligence level, attentiveness, temperament is the way they are behaving, even diseases, various inherited diseases, many diseases like lifestyle diseases, or even cancer, such type of diseases also come from family to family and all. So hereditary factors are those things which we are getting from our family. Okay, this definitely will shape the personality of an individual. Second one is environmental factors. Environment क्या होता है? That is where we are living, the surroundings where we are living, the society where you are living, the culture which you are following, like your values, your norms. Then from here you are learning many more things. Like you can see the neighborhood which you are living, the society which you are living, the school, the college, the university, the workplace, and all are external factors. Even the friend group which you're having, that also will definitely affect your personality. So our friends, parents, colleagues, co-workers, peers बोलते हैं, peers, colleagues को peers भी बोलते हैं. Okay, co-workers, boss, everybody plays a role in contributing to our personality. You might have seen a schools in the smaller level, smaller classes, how the teachers groom the smaller children to develop to a person with good personality, develop to a person with good behavior. Or overall, when you reach the college level also, you can understand how these uh, people, how the children are developing their behavior, their personality, how they are learning more about the society and all. So environmental factors also affect a person's personality. Then physical factors. Physical factors include the overall physical structure of a person, like our height, our weight, color, sex or gender, the beauty, the body language, etc. So body language क्या होता है? कैसे बात करते हैं? देखा होगा आप लोग, खुद को ही ऑब्जर्व करो जरा, आप लोग कैसे बात करते होंगे. समटाइम्स व्हेन वी टॉक, हम लोग जब बात करते हैं हम लोग बहुत अपने हैंड्स को बहुत यूज करते होंगे. कभी अभी हम लोग ऐसे फोल्ड करके बैठ के भी बात करते होंगे. इट इज ऑल अबाउट बॉडी लैंग्वेज. समटाइम्स कुछ लोग ऐसे बहुत नोट करते रहते हैं, यस यस करके. सो ऑल दीज आर इंडिविजुअल फीचर्स. कुछ लोग ऐसे करते हैं, कुछ लोग वैसे नहीं करते. Your height is unique for you, your weight is unique for you, your color is unique for you, your gender is unique for you, your beauty definitely is unique for you. So This can change over time. Your height can change, weight can definitely change, sex cannot be changed, your body languages can change. So this is one area where changes can happen. Most of these physical structures can change from time to time. So does the personality also of an individual. Because as and when we are growing up, as and when we grow up, as a teenager, you will be having varied interest. एज अ मिडिल एज एडल्ट आपके इंटरेस्ट और बदलेंगे. उसके बाद जैसे आप मेच्योर होते जाएंगे ना, आपके पर्सनालिटी में भी काफी चेंजेस हो जाएंगे. सो फिजिकल फैक्टर्स आल्सो अफेक्ट द पर्सनालिटी. देन वी हैव सिचुएशनल फैक्टर्स. सिचुएशनल फैक्टर्स मींस वो टाइम टू टाइम जो इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं. Although these factors do not literally create and shape up an individual's personality, but still ये इंडिविजुअल के बिहेवियर पे इफेक्ट हो सकते हैं. ऐसे नहीं कि कुछ तो चीज देखी सडनली पर्सनालिटी चेंज होगा, वैसा नहीं है, बट स्टिल थोड़ा बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस रहता है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल वी कैन से द सिचुएशनल फैक्टर्स कैन बी कॉमनली ऑब्जर्व्ड व्हेन अ पर्सन इज बिहेविंग कॉन्ट्रास्टिंगली एंड showing different traits and characteristics. Example देख सकते हैं, person's behavior will be totally different when he is in his office. In front of his boss अलग behavior हो सकता है और friends के साथ अलग behavior हो सकते हैं. So situational factors also we can say can affect the personality. वो बहुत ज्यादा फर्क नहीं दिखा सकते, बट स्टिल बहुत ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट नहीं हो सकते, बट स्टिल एक सिचुएशन में कैसे बिहेव करते हैं, दैट आल्सो अफेक्ट्स द पर्सनालिटी. आप लोग खुद ही सोच लीजिए, आपके घर पे आप लोग कैसे बिहेव करते होंगे. with your parents how you are behaving, and with your best friends, group of best friends, how you are behaving. The situation में वो चेंज हो रहा है ना. दैट इज सिचुएशनल फैक्टर्स ऑफ पर्सनालिटी. सो यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, व्हाट इज पर्सनालिटी. पर्सनालिटी मींस द एग्रीगेट मतलब टोटल of totality of a person's feelings, thinking, behavior and responses to different situations and different people. It is affected by 4 factors: heredity factor, environmental factor, physical factor, situational factor. Heredity factor is something which we are getting from our family, from our forefathers, from our ancestors. आप लोगों ने सुना होगा when children are born in the family, आप लोग like how they are saying, ये तो एकदम जैसे दादी के ऊपर ही गए, पापा के ऊपर ही गए, वैसे वैसे आप लोगों ने सुना होगा. This is a hereditary factor. Similarly, environmental factor, what they are getting affected, influence from the outside factors like schools, colleges, your neighborhood. Then physical factor explains about your physical structure, like your height, your weight and all. Then there is situational factor based on situations. Renuka has typed something. According to psychology, every person's personality undergoes several changes after 10 years. As a child, you just imagine, आप लोगों को आप लोगों के पता है क्या होते हैं पर्सनालिटी. ऐसे बच्चे जब बच्चे होते हैं क्या पर्सनालिटी होते हैं. थोड़ा आप टीनेज लेवल के होते हैं, टीनेजर्स में थोड़ा बहुत आपके इंटरेस्ट चेंज होते जाते हैं, आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल भी अलग हो सकते हैं. टीनेज टाइम में क्या होता है, पेरेंट्स के साथ ज्यादा इंटरेक्शन होता है क्या. जस्ट टेल मी, ओपन अप, आप लोग खुद ही बोलिए. टीनेज के टाइम डू यू इंटरेक्ट. अभी ये आप लोगों का ये एज देख लीजिए, योर 20s में है ना, इन अर्ली 20s में है ना. डू यू इंटरेक्ट सो मच विथ योर फैमिली और डू यू इंटरेक्ट सो मच विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. जस्ट टाइप करो, फैमिली के साथ ज्यादा इंटरेक्ट करते हैं या फ्रेंड्स या फैमिली. फ्रेंड्स यू आर इंटरेक्टिंग मोर, है ना. सो वो दैट इज व्हाई आई एम सेइंग your personality is changing. It will change after some time. What happens, थोड़ा बहुत बड़े होने के बाद you will be start working. ठीक है, काम खाने के बाद क्या होता है, या कजिन्स के साथ भी ज्यादा इंटरेक्ट करेंगे. डेफिनेटली, इट्स वेरी करेक्ट. सो एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम when you start working, you will be more in connection with your colleagues, your peers. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे when you get a family, when you become responsible, when you get a family, when you get married, again you will move to your family. More interaction will be with the family members. So like that, it will change your behavior and all. To an extent, we can say it will keep on changing. Basic contents will be there. Other than that, your maturity level definitely will increase a lot. You will understand that जो चीजों के पीछे आप पड़े थे बचपन में या टीनेज में, वो सारी चीजें ना, वो कुछ था भी नहीं. As and when you grow up, you will understand more about stress in life. Okay, and your maturity level itself will be completely changed. Okay, so these are the different determinants of personality. Now we have to learn about different theories in personality. One, we can only one, I think we'll be able to complete it today. So this is one theory. Okay, Myers-Briggs indicator, type indicator, MBTI, Myers-Briggs type indicator. This is most widely used personality instrument in the world. It was developed by Catherine Briggs and Isabel Briggs Myers, and they have taken into account 4 factors over here: extraversion or introversion, sensing, intuition, thinking, feeling, judgment, perception. So they are trying to understand the people based on these factors. तो अपने को देखना है कि हम लोग कौन सी कैटेगरी में आ सकते हैं. We will just see the meaning first. पहले आप लोगों को पहले ये सारे वर्ड्स भी नए नए हो सकते हैं ना. So extraversion या introversion. Extrovert, introvert सुना होगा at least. What, who is an extrovert, who is an introvert? Extrovert means जो आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में ही देखो आप, extrovert जो हमेशा बातें करते ही रहते हैं, बहुत आउटगोइंग है, बहुत सोशल है, किसी को भी फ्रेंड्स बनाते हैं, वैसे लोग. इंट्रोवर्ट कैसे रहते हैं? बहुत शाई रहते हैं, है ना, बहुत शाई, दे हार्डली ओपन देयर माउथ टू स्पीक, वैसे लोग. So extraversion, extroverted people and introverted people. Extroverted individuals are outgoing, sociable, assertive. वो किसी के भी साथ भी बात करना शुरू करते हैं, पहले से पहचानते भी नहीं, फिर भी वो बात करना शुरू करते हैं. इंट्रोवर्ट्स कैसे होते हैं? वो थोड़ा क्वाइट रहते हैं, शाई रहते हैं. ओके, then there is sensing and intuitive. Sensing type of people are practicals, practically oriented people, prefer routine and order. And intuitives कैसे होते हैं? They are not so practical, they are relying much more on the unconscious process which is happening in the mind. They look at the big picture. वो डे टू डे का इतना नहीं सोचते हैं. सेंसिंग पीपल डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज पे ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं, डिटेल्स पे ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं, बहुत प्रैक्टिकल रहते हैं. बट इंट्यूटिव पीपल आर नॉट लाइक दैट. थिंकिंग पीपल एंड फीलिंग पीपल. थिंकिंग पीपल कैसे होते हैं? दे यूज रीजन एंड लॉजिक टू हैंडल प्रॉब्लम्स. फीलिंग्स पीपल कैसे होते हैं? उनको लॉजिक एंड रीजन एंड वो साइड पे रखे, वो पर्सनल वैल्यूज एंड इमोशंस के ऊपर जाते हैं. वैसे लोग रहते हैं ना जो बहुत फीलिंग्स को, मतलब पर्सनल वैल्यूज को ज्यादा, योर फ्रेंडशिप, योर फैमिली वगैरह को ज्यादा वैल्यूज देते हैं rather than reason and logic. Then judging and perceiving. Judging type of people want more control and they want their world to be very perfect, ordered and structured. But perceiving types are very much flexible. They are ready to adjust in any situation. Spontaneous type of people. वो लोग क्विक डिसीजन भी लेने के लिए रेडी है, किसी भी तरह के ये हो जाए, लाइफ हो जाए, वो लोग रेडीली दे विल एडजस्ट. सो एक्स्ट्रावर्शन, इंट्रोवर्शन, सेंसिंग, इंट्यूशन, thinking, feeling, judgment or perception. Now when you put these 4 letters together you can get your personality code, or you can say, for example, देखो INTJ. some people for example will be introvert, then intuition, thinking, judgment. वो it can be a mix. Some people will be extrovert, sensing, feeling, perception. So each and every individual will be having a mix of these 4 preferences. That is what is mentioned over here. And MBTI is widely used in many organizations. But the thing is, there is no, what you can say, in between people. Like it could be most of the people are extroverted, most of the people are introverted to some degree. But even then we can say that this tool is helpful to understand the behavior of individuals, and many companies are using this model to understand about human resource, about the people in their company. So what is MBTI model? It is having how many factors, how many preferences? 4 preferences: extrovert or introvert, sensing or intuition, thinking or feeling, judgment or perception. एक्सट्रोवर्ट मतलब जो बहुत बातें करते रहते हैं, बहुत ओपन है, वो किसी के साथ भी फ्रेंड्स बना सकते हैं. इवन इफ यू आर मीटिंग दैट पर्सन फॉर अ फर्स्ट टाइम, वो बहुत आपके साथ बहुत इंटरेक्ट करेंगे. इंट्रोवर्ट कैसे होते हैं? जो उनको टाइम लगता है एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए. दे आर वेरी क्वाइट एंड दे आर वेरी शाई. सेंसिंग टाइप ऑफ पीपल आर वेरी प्रैक्टिकल टाइप ऑफ पीपल. Intuition type of people are very conscious type of people, like conscious in the sense they always take time to think about the next process. They always look at the big picture. They all rely on unconscious process, means वो उनके मन में वो चलते रहते हैं कि next क्या करना है. Thinking and feeling, thinking people take decision based on reasoning, सोच के decision लेंगे, practical decisions लेंगे, logically they will think. Feeling people give more importance to personal values and emotions. Judgment or perception, judgment people want everything under their control. उनके जो भी काम है वो लोग करने चाह रहे हैं वो structured होना चाहिए, proper order में होना चाहिए. Perception people are very much flexible type of people. Spontaneous means immediately they can change, they can adjust anywhere. So this is, you have to remember these 4 points, 4 preferences as per Myers-Briggs type indicator or MBTI model.